As spring arrives, it brings a chance to refresh your style with the rich mom aesthetic, a look that blends luxury with practicality, all in the soft, airy colors of the season. Here's your go-to guide for mastering this desirable style, where each outfit showcases your refined taste effortlessly. This isn't about spending a lot of money. It's about looking effortlessly chic and feeling as fresh and invigorated as a spring day. Welcome to Daily Mom Looks. If you're new here, my name is Rose. I'm a mom of 3 kids, and I'm here to guide you on this exciting journey of self-discovery and empowerment, tailored specifically for new moms navigating the transformative postpartum period. Let me tell you about the rich mom style, especially for springtime. Embrace light fabrics with luxurious weave. As the weather warms up, it's essential to transition into fabrics that are not only stylish, but also comfortable and breathable. Silk, fine cotton, and soft linens are perfect for this time of year. These materials are not only lightweight, but also allow your skin to breathe as temperatures rise. Consider adding a flowing silk blouse to your wardrobe. It's versatile enough to be paired with business attire or dressed down with jeans for a casual look. A crisp linen dress is another spring essential, perfect for both outdoor gatherings and more formal events. These fabrics ensure you remain cool and comfortable throughout the day, all while maintaining a polished and elegant appearance. Pastels and whites. As you transition from the muted tones of winter, embrace the refreshing palette of spring with its soothing pastels and crisp whites. Colors like lavender, mint, peach, and baby blue reflect the renewal and growth of the season, bringing a sense of calm and serenity to your wardrobe. White, timeless and pure, continues to be a staple for spring. It acts as a blank canvas, allowing you to mix and match with other colors or create a bold statement with a monochromatic look. Use these colors to their fullest potential by incorporating them into key pieces, such as tailored trousers that can be paired with a matching blazer for a coordinated, sophisticated outfit, or a flowing blouse that adds a touch of elegance to any look. For days when you want to feel especially chic, choose a dress in one of these light hues. These garments not only elevate your style, but also enhance your mood, making you feel as bright and vibrant as a spring day. Floral patterns and subtle prints. Spring is synonymous with the blossoming of flowers, and what better way to celebrate the season than by incorporating floral patterns into your wardrobe? From the understated to the eye-catching, floral prints offer a versatile way to enliven your outfits and reflect the natural beauty around you. Start with accessories, such as a floral print scarf, which can add a pop of color and pattern to a simple outfit without overwhelming it. For a more integrated approach, consider a dress adorned with delicate flower embroidery. This can serve as the centerpiece of your outfit, perfect for social gatherings or a sophisticated brunch. Alternatively, for those who prefer a subtler integration of patterns, a blazer with a faint floral print can provide just the right touch of flair to a professional ensemble, balancing vibrancy with the poise expected of a rich mom style. These floral elements not only brighten your wardrobe, but also keep it fresh and exciting, perfectly aligned with the spirit of spring. Transition, outerwear. As you move from the chill of winter into the milder days of spring, updating your outerwear is essential. Lightweight trench coats and soft-hued blazers are perfect for this transitional period. A classic trench coat, perhaps in a soft beige or a pastel shade, can be a versatile and chic addition to your wardrobe. It provides just enough warmth for cooler mornings while keeping your style sleek and polished. Alternatively, consider a blazer in a soft color like powder blue, pale pink, or even a muted lavender to add a touch of spring freshness to your outfits. These blazers can be paired effortlessly with both dresses and trousers, making them ideal for both casual and formal settings. The functionality of these pieces extends beyond just warmth. They also serve as stylish statements that refine and define your look. Choose fabrics like lightweight wool or cotton blends that offer comfort without the bulk, ensuring that your spring style remains streamlined and sophisticated. By investing in these key pieces of outerwear, you're prepared for any spring weather while maintaining a look that's both elegant and seasonally appropriate. Statement accessories. Spring breathes new life into the world and your wardrobe, making it the ideal time to highlight standout accessories that complement the season's vibe. Elevate your outfits with carefully chosen pieces that can transform even the simplest ensemble into something spectacular. Consider a handbag in a gentle pastel hue, such as blush pink or soft lavender, which adds a subtle pop of color while keeping in line with the season's soft palette. Oversized sunglasses not only serve a practical purpose, but also add a touch of Hollywood glamour to your day-to-day looks. Look for frames that flatter your face shape and feature unique details like metallic accents or tinted lenses. Lightweight scarves are another versatile accessory for spring. They can be draped over your shoulders during a breezy morning or styled as a neck scarf to add a chic touch to a plain blouse or dress. Choose scarves with floral prints or in monochrome colors to tie your outfits together. When selecting these accessories, focus on high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Luxurious fabrics like silk or fine cotton and expert stitching ensure that your accessories last and continue to look great throughout the season and beyond. By opting for elegance and quality in your accessories, you ensure a balanced look that's luxurious without being overly extravagant. Footwear that marries comfort and style. As the spring season unfolds, it's the perfect time to refresh your footwear with styles that blend comfort with chic aesthetics. Mules, loafers, and ballet flats are ideal choices for the active mom who needs to remain on her feet and on the move. These options provide the necessary comfort and support for day-long wear, while also adding a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Opt for footwear crafted from soft leathers that mold to your feet, ensuring comfort without causing discomfort. Neutral colors like beige, soft gray, or classic navy will integrate seamlessly with your spring palette, enhancing the overall lightness and freshness of your wardrobe. These versatile shoes can be dressed up for a meeting or styled casually for school runs, making them indispensable for your spring shoe collection. Jewelry, delicate yet distinguished. As the landscape rejuvenates with spring, your jewelry choices should echo this seasonal renewal with grace and subtlety. Opt for pieces that are delicate, yet make a clear statement of sophistication. Thin gold chains offer a hint of shine that catches the light beautifully without overwhelming your ensemble. Pearl earrings bring a touch of classic elegance, perfect for both day and evening wear, while a simple diamond pendant provides a focal point that is both refined and understated. These choices are not just adornments, but thoughtful complements to your overall look, enhancing your appearance with a tasteful display of luxury. Select jewelry that embodies the freshness and lightness of spring, ensuring that each piece adds to your outfit without taking center stage. Natural makeup and effortless hair. Complement your style with a beauty look that exudes spring. Opt for natural makeup. Think dewy skin, a touch of blush, and soft pink lips. Let your hair flow naturally or style it in soft waves, embodying the carefree yet refined spirit of the season. Choose products that enhance rather than mask your natural beauty, focusing on light foundations, subtle eyeshadows, and a hint of mascara to brighten your eyes. This approach not only highlights your features, but also maintains a look that's both effortless and polished, perfect for any spring occasion, embodying the carefree yet refined spirit of the season. By integrating these elements, your spring wardrobe will not only reflect the rich mom style, but also embrace the renewal and rejuvenation that the season stands for. Dressing well is about feeling beautiful in your skin, ready to conquer any challenge with poise and grace. This spring, let your wardrobe bloom with elegance, and remember, the most stylish accessory you can wear is your confidence. Thank you for joining me in exploring these chic spring styling tips that will ensure you look and feel your best. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion insights. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest posts. Until next time, embrace your unique style, celebrate your individuality, and let your confidence shine through every day. Stay fabulous.